Good afternoon, my friends. Happy Friday to all of you. As inflation continues to rise even more, many economists are now pushing for the president to take executive action. Progressive lawmakers like Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez and Chuck Schumer want President Biden to sign an executive order that would provide all Americans with monthly recurring stimulus checks. These stimulus checks would be automatically deposited. So my friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. If you would like to enter today's giveaway, please click and like several of my videos. Comment below the keyword of this video and additional videos that you watch, and do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. And friends, the more often you comment below a keyword, the greater your chance of winning the $75 gift card. Thank you so much, friends.
So, as Secretary of Commerce, you play a leading role in dealing with the supply chain and with inflation. As far as I can tell, I haven't seen a plan that's come out of the Commerce Department of how you're going to deal with this either supply chain crisis or the unbelievable inflation we're seeing now. I think about when I was governor of Florida, we had hurricanes. You were the governor. When you have a problem, you have to get everybody together and you have to solve it.
Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has now defended President Biden's $2 trillion stimulus bill, despite criticism that the burst of government spending helped accelerate the highest inflation in 40 years. Janet Yellen has helped the White House sell the $1.9 trillion American Rescue Plan, which pumped money directly to American households, businesses, and local governments to keep them afloat during the crisis. Yellen's comments come as Americans wrestle with the hottest inflation since 1981, which has quickly eroded consumers' purchasing power and has sent President Biden's approval ratings tumbling. The White House has identified supply chain bottlenecks and other crisis-induced disruptions in the economy for the recent price spike. GOP lawmakers have pinned it on the president's massive spending agenda. But the rising price of everyday goods is eating into workers' pays, slowing the U.S. economic recovery and forcing the Federal Reserve to aggressively tighten monetary policy. Janet Yellen argued that the alternative to huge government spending was an economic downturn that could match the Great Depression. Yellen also stated, given this uncertainty, the recovery packages sought to protect against tail risk. They were not just tailored to address the median outcome. So as the crisis continues until today, many of our lawmakers are insistent that inflation relief checks be sent out to help financially struggling Americans. Representative Ilhan Omar, along with many other progressive Democratic lawmakers, have proposed legislation that would dole out regular stimulus checks through monthly payments of up to $1,200 for adults and $600 for children. This legislation would provide $1,200 per month to individuals making $75,000 or less per year. The heads of households with an income of up to $112,500 would receive $1,200 under the program, and $600 would be provided for each child. So, my friends, is $1,200 a month sufficient to help Americans? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is lemonade. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos. Comment below this keyword, which is lemonade, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do verify that you are subscribed to my channel. President Biden has announced that he is taking a very hard look into forgiving some federal student loan debt, but the amount he's considering is less than the $50,000 per borrower. That amount is lower than some top Democrats have been seeking since he has taken office. In response to a question at the White House, President Biden said, "I am considering dealing with some debt reduction. I am not considering $50,000 debt reduction, but I am in the process of taking a hard look at whether or not there will be additional debt forgiveness." The president said he would have an answer on forgiving additional debt in the next couple of weeks, Biden's comments came after days he gave one of the strongest signals yet that he's looking to cancel student loan debt during a meeting with lawmakers. Democratic Representative Tony Cardenas of California, who also attended a meeting, said that the president never mentioned a specific amount he was looking to cancel, but said he was open to forgiving debt for borrowers, regardless of whether they attended private or public institutions. In response to the president's meeting, some Republican lawmakers blasted President Biden for looking at forgiving student loan debt. Senate Republican Mitt Romney of Utah tweeted that desperate polls calls for desperate measures. During his presidential campaign, Biden said he would cancel $10,000 in student loan debt and called for Congress to act. He has extended the crisis-related pause on federal student loan repayment several times now, most recently through August 31st, 2022. The White House has previously raised great concerns that widespread federal student debt cancellation could face legal challenges if done through executive action. The president last year asked his team to evaluate his legal option. Pressure on President Biden to act has been mounting as the midterm elections approach. Some Democrats, like Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer and Senator Elizabeth Warren of Massachusetts, have reiterated their calls for the president to cancel at least $50,000 in student loan debt. White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki has said a decision on canceling student loan debt would be made between now and August 31st, when loan payments are set to resume. Some Republican lawmakers and organizations oppose extended the crisis-era pause, which saves some 41 million borrowers an estimated $5 billion a month in student loan interest payments. The pause was previously set to expire at the beginning of May. But in the meantime, the Education Department has made some changes to the existing loan forgiveness program. And since taking office, the Biden administration has forgiven more than $17 billion in student loan debt, including for borrowers who were defrauded by their schools, those with permanent disabilities, and those in income-driven repayment plans, or the Public Service Loan Forgiveness Program. So, my friends, please let me know what your thoughts are on canceling $50,000 in student loan debt. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my wonderful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I truly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. To say thank you, I'm giving away $75 Walmart gift cards every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. If you would like to enter today's giveaway, all you need to do is simply click and like several of my videos, comment below the keyword from this video and additional videos of mine that you watch, and do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.